This is my quick all you need to know review of this Stelton Arne Jacobsen wine and champagne cooler. As a Scandinavian, I have a taste for Scandinavian design, and Stelton is one of my favorite for kitchen and homeware. Their classical design and high quality stainless steel products are such an addition to your kitchen. I decided to get this champagne cooler because it has a minimalistic style which works with many different kinds of table settings. I really like that you can fill it with ice and it fits up to 3 bottles. You can either have the bottle leaning like this, or you can have 3 standing straight up. The handles on the side are really sturdy and it's easy to carry. The stainless steel is sturdy but still thin and very sleek and chic. To me, this is the perfect size for a wine cooler, and especially if you want to have big ice chunks to cool your wine. This is a beautiful addition to any elegant and modern home. It is perfect for hosting dinner parties, and it is super easy to clean. You can even put it in the dishwasher. You can definitely buy this classical design with confidence.